Hi everyone, Adam Flynn here from Flynn Automotive. I just wanted to take you for a quick look around our 2013 Porsche 911 Coupe. I got the keys here. Let's check it out. So this 2013 911 is one of the first years of the 991 body style. You'll see it's got the nice xenon headlights. Paint's in great condition given its mileage. It does have 93,000 kilometers, I believe, at this point. It's got the nice 20-inch wheels. Nice big open spokes there. They are 20-inch, they're a little bit wider at the rear for better traction. See the nice vents for the rear engine. Sits right behind the rear axle here. You can see the nice dual exhaust. This one's just badged as a 911 Carrera. It is a base model. That's the spoiler there. It's down at the moment. This right here would pop up. Coming inside, nice black leather interior. They are part power, part manual seats. It's got the PDK transmission with navigation. Let's start it up here. So you'll see the navigation in the display here. Love this display. You can switch through a bunch of different options. Navigation, tire pressure, vehicle information regarding temperatures and pressures. You'll see, so 92,487 kilometers, and you'll see the speedometer is in miles per hour. It's a US vehicle, but you do have the digital speedometer there in kilometers an hour. Turn it down here inside. You got the sport mode. This is the button for the spoiler. Obviously it has a sunroof as well. You can't really see it there. Bluetooth audio streaming. Has navigation. Let's go to the map. So just a beautiful car inside and out. So the features and styling are great, but the best part of owning a 911 is the driving experience. Nothing handles quite like rear engine, rear-wheel drive sports car, and especially that of Porsche. Please give us a call if you're interested in the vehicle, or if you want to view more inventory online, you can visit us at www.flynnautomotive.ca, and you can call us at 289-668-6744. Thanks for watching.